This is the carburetor teardown on a 1982 FJ40 2F engine. I'm pretty sure it's the same way with the 1F or the 1.5F or 0.5F, whatever the hell they're talking about now. Now, I'm taking pictures of it because, well, it's working now, sort of. But the reason I'm taking it apart is because it just started to fail. As you can see, this down by the bottom of the carburetor right now is kind of dark. It started to leak pretty bad, and I'm like, well, I got a new carburetor, might as well replace it with the Chinesium one I got off Amazon. And I'm here taking bits and pieces off. I didn't really have to take this part off, but I still did anyways. But that's just me. That's when I realized, oh, look at that. Let me shake a little bit. All right. There's the idle air. I think the idle screw or sensor or whatever the hell it is. I know the name for it. Don't care. Take the fuel line off. Oh, by the way, I disconnected the negative battery terminal. So I guess if that makes any sense of why I did that. But no, it doesn't leak that much fuel out. Great. Move over there. I loosened the 4 nuts that are into the studs that connect the said carburetor to the manifold. I think I already broke them loose, but that's just, you know, cutting for time. And going through all the process. Now, understand that you're not going to see this, but there's a bunch of linkage on the back. And it's pretty self-explanatory. As long as you take pictures and you know how to put it back together, it shouldn't be a big deal. So what I did was I cut off the safety wire that was holding on the choke cable. Right. And so I'm just taking the safety wire off. I'm going to lay that to the side here in a second. Yep, there you go. And there's just, like I said, there's a bunch of linkage back there. And it's connected to the hip bone. The hip bone's connected to the knee bone. The knee bone's connected to the foot bone. The foot bone's connected to the head bone. You get what I'm saying. And then you pull it out to the side. Still, there's a bunch of linkage on the side, so I kind of kick it to the side a little bit. Call it good. Oh, look at that. As you can see, there's still smog stuff attached to it. But as you'll see later on in the part 2 or part 3, oh, I'm still connected. Yeah. That pesky choke cable. Come on. Come on. All right. Now we're back. Why am I messing with the seal on the top? Don't know, but I felt that I don't want to lose it, so I decided to keep it on there. Don't know why. I'm removing a screw of some sort. Some leakage. Oh, there it is. And pulled it off. Boom. For some reason, I grabbed a hammer. So I'm putting the carburetor together. The old linkage onto the new carburetor. Now, it's on ugly face. So I'm cleaning off the manifold surfaces. You don't need to see that. I'm pretty sure you've seen it before. But it's nice to have a good mating surface. Now I have the seals. It's very important because there were no seals on the one I took off. I don't know if that was intentional or supposed to be that way, but as you see me clean off that, and that should be it. So stay tuned for part 2 when I add more to this carburetor and put it right back on.